Hello and hope you're doing well. Today we're going to look at this Home Decorators Collection 3 light polish chrome vanity light. This light measures, according to the box, 7.5 inches in height, 20.39 inches in width, and 6.22 in depth. It does include 3 LED bulbs and they're dimmable. The model number is HD1681CH, and let's take a look inside. First off, you have your instructions, your use manual, here they are, 1 through 3 lights, the tools you'll need to install it, the installation itself, not complicated at all. Here's some of the hardware you will need, couple of screws. Here are the light bulbs, and best of the light bulbs, they're LEDs. They are 4.5 watts each, but they replace 40 watts. So saving you some light. They look cool, round, just like the shade in the box. And these are warm white. Here are number 2, number 3. I'm not sure if this is the right way of taking it out, but it's coming out. There it is. And these are the shades made of glass. And they're nice, round, clear, thin, and they do complement the light bulb, which is pretty cool. So you have 2, 3, and voila, here is the vanity light. Now this can be hung one way or the other, so you can hang the shades down here or the other way with the shades up there. You got these 2 screws that you gotta take off so you can take this bracket out. The bracket goes in your light socket. You got your couple of wires and your ground, and then you just put this back, and that's it for you to be able to put the light bulbs. You take this off, you put the shade in here, put this back, if you have smaller hands it'll probably be easier. I wish there was something to help you with this. Unfortunately, it does not come with anything else. But you only have to do it once, so there it is. And then you put the light bulb in here. There it is. And you do the same thing with the other two. This one's a little tighter. And of course you do this after you have installed the light. You don't do this before you install it. I'm just doing this so you can take a look at what it looks like before you buy it. But overall, look, it looks pretty good. If you like the chrome look, it looks clean. See how it looks? Very nice. And the good thing about the chrome is that the light reflects all over the place with them anyway, so. The light bulbs, for some reason, they're not. There you go. Took a little bit of figuring it out. So now let's measure the lights. From side to side, it is 20 and a half, or less than 20 and a half. The height is about 8 inches. Well, just kind of guessing. And the depth is about 7 inches, maybe less than 7 inches, 6.5. The back is 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. So there you have it. Could be facing one way or the other. Hope you like it. Hope you like the video, of course, too. Enjoy.